Welcome to Pathshala Institute of Learning. Let's we learn fruits name. Apple, apple. Mango, mango. Banana, banana. Watermelon, watermelon. Pineapple, pineapple. Grapes, grapes. Orange, orange. Strawberry, strawberry. Pear, pear. Cherry, cherry. Kiwi, kiwi. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.